Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Intonation. In this series we will be talking about Russian international patterns or so-called Russian international constructions. Maybe you've heard about this term, but I wouldn't want to overwhelm you with theory. We would rather look at some examples and try to feel the Russian intonation in order to apply it later to our Russian speech. So let's get started. And today we will be talking about yes or no questions in Russian, which means that we are not using any question words. So how do we make these questions in Russian? Interestingly, we don't need to change the word order in a sentence, and nor we need to add some auxiliary verb or word. All we need is to use our intonation. But that's the trick, because how do we need to use our intonation? Where do we need to change it in order to get the question we need? So let's look at these examples. These sentences, are they the same to you? Well, they seem the same because I used the same words, but in fact, those four sentences can be absolutely different questions with different answers that are supposed to be given to these questions. And let's try to read them this way. First, we will make a statement to understand what we are talking about. So, ты был вчера на вечеринке. You were yesterday at a party. Вечеринка is a party. If I want to ask you, were you at a party? You see, in English we change the word order. Were you at a party? Yeah, we are interested in this word, were you there or not? In Russian we just emphasize this word with the intonation. So, ты был вчера на вечеринке? Слушай, ты был вчера на вечеринке? Я была. I was there. Ты был вчера на вечеринке? Тоже. Were you there too? Yeah. The answer is да, был. Or if it's negative, нет, не был. No, I weren't. So we just add не before the word we are interested in, before the word that is asked about. Yeah. Let's move on. If I want to ask if it was you and not your friend, слушай, ты был вчера на вечеринке? I remember that I saw somebody. Слушай, ты был вчера на вечеринке? Да, я. Yes, it was me. Не я. No, it wasn't me. Yeah. This person was drunk, so it wasn't me. Не я. We are getting to yesterday. Now I want to ask you if it was yesterday and not a week ago, yeah? Слушай, ты был вчера на вечеринке? Я уже забыла. I already forgot. Ты был вчера на вечеринке? And you are saying, не вчера. На прошлой неделе, last week. Or, да, вчера. Yeah, yesterday. And the last option is this, the place. So, were you at a party or in a library, yeah? I could ask you like this. Слушай, ты был вчера на вечеринке? It was the party where you were yesterday. I think in English you also can use this kind of intonational emphasizing. Were you at the party yesterday? At the party? And you are saying, не на вечеринке, я был в библиотеке. No, not at the party. No, I was in the library. So, now we will try to figure out if you got these intonations I was using. I took this sentence, this question, I will emphasize two words, first one, then another, and I would want you to give an answer in the comments below if you want, but the negative one with the alternative answer, so I could understand if you got what I was asking about. You are giving the negative answer with some alternative version. Okay, So the sentence is ты сегодня встречался с другом. You today were meeting or met with a friend. So now listen carefully. Ты сегодня встречался с другом? It's the first one. Ты сегодня встречался с другом? And the second one. Ты сегодня встречался с другом? Я забыла, ты сегодня встречался с другом? So I gave you two questions. I hope to see your answers and we'll meet each other in live Russian intonation. See you!